Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable disable Cortana and privacy options on Windows step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Cortana in the search bar. Select Cortana and search settings from the list of results. In the Cortana settings window, you will see an option labeled Cortana can give you suggestions, ideas, reminders, alerts, and more. If you want to enable it again, simply toggle the option back to on. Now, let's manage your privacy settings. Click on the Start button once again. Type privacy in the search bar. Select privacy settings from the search results. In the privacy settings window, you'll find various categories on the left side. Click on speech to manage speech recognition options. Here, you can disable online speech recognition if you wish. Next, go back to the privacy settings menu. Click on Activity History. Uncheck the box that says Let Windows collect my activity history. You can also click Returning to the privacy settings, click on Camera and Microphone to set permissions for these features. You will see options to allow or deny access for different apps. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Finally, go to the Location section to manage location services. You can turn off location services entirely, or manage app permissions individually. Close the settings window once you've customized all options as needed. You have now successfully enabled or disabled Cortana and adjusted your privacy settings on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.